It takes just a few taps to schedule your first show on Whatnot. Let's get started. From the Whatnot home feed, tap Seller Hub and select Schedule a Show. Enter a catchy title that tells viewers what you're selling and entices them to tune in. Schedule your show about a week in advance. This gives you time to share your show on social media, and it gives viewers enough time to bookmark it and plan to show up. Now for the fun part, add a thumbnail. An eye-catching thumbnail is one of the best ways to attract viewers to your show. A good thumbnail should include a combination of images and text information about what you'll be selling. Your thumbnail will appear in the feed with an aspect ratio of 11:17. We have an article on our Seller Academy that covers thumbnail formatting, and we'll talk more about this in a later section of these videos. Next, choose the right category to help people interested in your products find your show. The primary selling format menu is where you choose the main way you want to sell: auction, buy it now, or surprise sets. Auction. Items are sold to the highest bidder live. Great for creating energy, excitement, and selling unique or high-demand products. Buy it now. Items are listed at a set price for instant purchase. Perfect for predictable pricing and buyers who want something specific fast. Surprise sets. Ideal for shows built around surprises using our Surprise Sets feature. While you can run any format in your show, no matter what you pick in this menu, your choice affects how buyers find your show and their expectations. Pick the format that best fits your inventory and audience. And don't be afraid to try something new. Tap Schedule, and you're all set. Your show is now on Whatnot, ready to attract buyers. Now go forth and schedule those shows. For more tips and tricks, visit selleracademy.whatnot.com.